If you're an agency owner and or B2B service-based business owner, here's my offer to you. We will build out an AI-based client acquisition engine that will enable you to get 20 to 30 plus qualified sales meetings with your ideal client profile, or you don't pay. That's how confident I am in this offer. Now, why should you listen to me? Me and my business partner started off as agency owners that were struggling to generate any qualified meetings for ourselves and our clients. Me personally, I was broke, depressed, sick, and almost suicidal. Stressed out every single day because I was worrying about where the money was going to come in so that I could provide for my family. All of that changed after I did this. After working with and analyzing multiple six-figure and seven-figure agencies, I came to this conclusion that there are a few evergreen mechanisms that have been tried and tested and are proven to work even to this day that enable you to book qualified meetings consistently and predictably every single day, week, and month. As long as we can close these meetings at a reasonable ratio, we have a cash printing machine in our hands. If we can take the evergreen strategies and execute them with modern technology, we can generate attention, sales calls, and cash in the bank effortlessly. After I figured this out, campaigns that looked like this before, where I used to get no leads or no meetings on the calendar, no meetings as you can see here, started looking like this. I got more meetings, I got more leads. I was able to generate over 135 positive responses in 7 days. And we started making more money for ourselves and our clients. Multiple payments like this started becoming the norm for us. And I started eating better and living better along with my business partner as well. Most importantly, we could finally start providing for our families. Maybe all of this sounds like cringe to you, but hey, this is proof that this is possible, and it is possible to rise back up stronger and better from pain and suffering. Now, what most people do when it comes to scaling their agency or B2B business is they rely on referrals mostly, or they run basic cold DMs or cold email campaigns with poor copy that just doesn't resonate with their ideal clients or prospects and has no personalized value proposition. Or they dabble in advertising and they run basic ads with poor creatives with poor structure and copy in them. And if they do run outreach, it's with inconsistent volume, and they have no proven way to iterate, optimize, refine, and acquire better results from their campaigns. All this leads to high cost per call or no calls in the calendar, meaning burn money, and the business owner, that is you, being stressed out as fuck when it comes to money. Here's the sad truth, right? Everybody polishes the same old outdated information and sells it as courses and coaching programs. That's what happens. And 99.9% of the so-called SMMA space uses this outdated outreach strategies and tactics. They send the same old messaging templates that thousands of people are using, leading to abysmally poor results, meaning no new calls on the calendar, meaning no new money in the bank. Now, what do the successful guys do? What do they really, do? How the fuck are some broke, but some, right, at the top of the mountain are making 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures, and even 9 figures per year? Let's look at a few of the guys, right, that have been around in this space for a long time, such as Alex Becker, Sam Owens, Alex Hormozi, and Ravi Abuwala. All of these guys started with some form of cold outbound, such as DMs, cold calls, and emails, and then scaled via paid advertising and content. All of these guys are making millions, as you obviously know. So, the playbook is relatively simple to understand but hard to execute. Educated consumers need educated marketing. The consumer of today, that is your prospect, that is, has access to way more information than 20 years ago. You already know that, right? Everything is accessible at a glance via the internet and AI. What you need is a client acquisition strategy and system that cuts through the noise and generates enough interest in your offer for them to book a call with you. We need to leverage platforms best suited for you and then scale based on that. implementation of evergreen strategies. That is, strategies that have been tried and tested and are proven to work in combination with modern technology is the way to go. Now, here's the overview of the process. How exactly we help? We will help you create your market-friendly offer so that you can acquire service market fit. We will help you script out your VSL, create a landing page and funnel that enable you to host the VSL and convert your prospects efficiently. Create an AI-based outbound acquisition system that can send out 1,000 plus personalized outreaches per day, where we will write out the copy for you that will actually turn cold prospects into booked appointments. Enrich and set up the lead list for you so that every message is personalized to the prospect's business, and also enable you to build out inbound client acquisition engines so that your deal flow is diversified. On top of that, we'll place an appointment setter that who can work the leads for you and convert them into actually qualified meetings that have a high probability of closing. We'll also provide a CRM plus reporting system that will enable you to ensure that all the generated leads are organized properly so that you get a full breakdown of the performance of your campaigns. Now, as I mentioned before, we use and leverage AI to create a value proposition that is completely personalized for each and every single prospect that you reach out to, whilst maintaining maximum volume. I mean, not just first name and company name when it comes to personalization. It's much more granular research done at scale, such as their ideal client profile, growth rate, how much funding they raised, and so on. We go in depth. We balance volume with personalization, meaning we retain as much as personalization as possible whilst upping the volume. Once we scale, we start implementing campaigns, creatives, and advertising strategies that resonate with the current market. Now, if you want to learn more, if you want to find out how you can find product market fit fast or service market fit fast, and how you can build out an outbound acquisition engine that generates plus 10K per month in revenue, and how you can deploy an advertising system that can enable you to scale to 50K per month or even beyond in revenue every single month, then use the link below to book a call with me so that we can walk through a custom growth roadmap that will enable you to scale immediately. With that being said, I look forward to speaking with you soon, and as always, have a good one.